Morning, sirs. Myself is Sujal Hiredekar. My college name is NG Mukhe Kanishta Mahavidyalaya, Sindhur Janaghat. I am studying 11th Science. My project name is Waste Plastic Fuel Energy for Waste Plastic Materials. Propositions to produce fuel by using waste plastic and decrease wastage plastic, which is very dangerous to our environment. This is increasing waste plastic materials in our global. It is very dangerous for our earth. It is by implementing for our project, we can decreasing waste plastic materials and can use them for fuel produce. Our nation's snapped or lost of rupees by sales of true. Such of true we import. Cooled down and formation of mixture, hydrocarbon or cold oil take place. As we know cold oil, it is informed, so it can be used for fuel course itself. Step 5. If we fluid separate group of hydrocarbon, we can produce pure petroleum product. Example, petrol and diesel. Result, we got fuel by burning wastage plastic, so the amount of wastage plastic decreases. We produce petrol diesel only at cost rupees for 60 rupees per liter. Conclusion, in this process there is formation of CO2 take place, therefore it is environmental friendly due to the low cost of the same used to dreams domestically. In this way we can reduce the amount of wastage plastics.
This is cooker and this is condensing unit. We are going to put this on induction. Now we are going to put up the plastic in our cooker. This is the tube which carry the vaporized air. Take around 15 minutes to heat up. Then the plastic will be start to convert into liquid and then gaseous. These gaseous vapors are passed through this tube and come into this condenser. The process of heating start in 15 minutes. At around 50 degrees Celsius, the polythene start to vaporize. This vaporizes air pass through this tube and get collected in this condenser. At condensing unit, the process of condensation begins and the vapors are get converted into liquid form. This liquid is our curd oil. If we further filtrate this liquid, we can use this as a petroleum. This is our prototype. If we if we done this project in a more large scale, we can produce more fuel from this.